Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's tutorial, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and send USDT on TRC on Binance. This is a step-by-step guide so you should be able to follow easily. Now I am inside my Binance website right here, and to proceed you want to go ahead and click on your wallets, which is right beside your profile icon, and under that you want to proceed by clicking on the overview button. Inside the overview of your wallet right here, you can just go ahead and click on withdraw, and we will be prompted right through the withdrawal page. So you could just go ahead and click on the coin right here, and in our case we are going to be using the USDT. And right here you want to go ahead and paste the address that you want to go ahead and withdraw your crypto with. We also have your network right here, which will be TRC20. So just go ahead and click on it. Click on TRX, TRON, or TRC20. So you have to go ahead and make sure that you are using the TRC20 on the other account, because if not, you won't be able to receive your money here from Binance. So let's just go ahead and say that I am going to deposit some money in another Binance account, or you could be using another trading platform like OKX and more. And right here, I'm gonna go ahead and select USDT. And right after, we will be able to select our network. You want to go ahead and make sure that you are choosing the TRX or TRON TRC20. And the last thing to do is to go ahead and click on get address right here, and Binance will be able to provide you with your TRON address. But as of the moment, I am having some issues with my Binance account, as you could go ahead and see right here. Apologies, but we are unable to provide services to you as of the moment, so I could not go ahead and get my address here as of this current moment. So basically, you will go ahead and get your deposit address, go ahead and copy that address, paste your address right here, and go ahead and click on send crypto. And after that, you will now be able to send USDT on the TRC20 on Binance. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.